Hi guys, there is a big update for you all. NTA has finally released the exam schedule for CSIR NET to June 2022. As you can see on the screen, the official notification that is mentioned with subjects and the dates. So, Earth Science and Physical Science exam is on 16 September morning shift. Mathematical Science is on 16 September evening shift. Life Science exam is on 17 September. Both shifts are of Life Sciences only, evening shift and morning shift both. And Chemical Sciences is on 18 September. I'm also mentioning the official website link in the description box. You can check the official notice there also. If you found this video helpful, do like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.